Everything's okay, but it's not really okay. My life's a death ray.
Yeah, auto generate Ricky B. So yeah. Okay, let's check out this roster. Oh Lord. This roster's kind is really bad. This team is about to get built from the ground up, you feel me? So I'm gonna get a trade. We're gonna start getting rid of trying to see if anybody gives us at least somebody with potential for welding. Uh, I mean, there. I got Ennis Cantor for pretty young. And the welding is T in a contract. So, like, I think it's a pretty good deal. I might have to go for that one. I'll go with this one. Give us over on his team. Okay. I want to get some dude with like potential. It's like I'm gonna make this trade. One more trade. D-Lo, we haven't even put a game. How's your overall dropping? We gotta, yeah, I think we gotta. Oh, we can get Kemba off and D-Lo. That's a steal. That is a steal. That's a steal. We need a better. Another steal. Actually, 25-19. I think Derek Favors has potential. So I think this is a good trade. I feel this chemistry though, but look at the roster. 85, 85, 81 are pretty. We need a shooting guard. We need a shooting guard. That's what we need. UG. Crap. We need some shooting. Deal. Was that contract that we had on him was bad and it's seed right now in the conference. So let's check standings. Because we okay, so but we're the eighth seed. We're literally tied. We're tied for literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're tied for like sixth right now. Literally. We just okay. Let's do. Come on, we got. Let's check the team. Let's check the team. Let's check the roster. Let's check the. Oh, why y'all injured? Broken nose, Chris. God, can I check options? I don't know. But, uh, did I accidentally turn something at the settings? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. There's no way I just did that. Did I just? No. I was just. I turned off the trade logic. Oh. Oh, there's no way. So we're gonna sim to the end. Chill out. What the? Chris. Everybody looks healthy. What is going on? What is going on? I gotta make another trade. Who would? Who would they get? Are y'all dumb? They wouldn't even give me nothing good for him. And I wouldn't have traded him anyway. What? I wouldn't have traded him anyway. Y'all think I'm dumb? Y'all think I'm dumb? I'm gonna keep simming. I'm gonna keep simming till before the trade. I'm gonna sim to the trade deadline. Let's go, bro. Fifth. We're fifth. We're fifth now. We're fifth. We're fifth. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. How was this rod? No, Derek. Left knee tendonitis. So, let's check the free agent before I do anything. Let's go trade finder. Who would give me for Rudy Corona? 80 plus. Nobody give me an 80 plus. They really won't give me anybody an 80 plus. Okay. I'm gonna sim to the end of the season. We're fourth again. We're third again. Of course he won. What are we? Oh, we got a Let's check the standings. Let's check the standings. Let me just check the standings. We went 50 and 32. 50 and 32 first year of rebuilding this team. I think LeBron really helped us, but now we gotta hope. We make Memphis. Come on, please, come on. Simulate. Come around, please. Oh. No! We got eliminated in the first round! Oh, disappointing end to this amazing season. Oh, simulate the playoffs. Golden State's gonna win or Cleveland. I hope Cleveland because oh, disappointing end to the season. Yo. Chemistry. That chemistry though. I'm gonna make some trades. I'm finna LeBron. Why did we just that no. That makes no. That's cheating. It just took him. No, he's coming back. He's coming back. I don't know. They just cheated. Because we had him, and then they just... No, they cheated. Cheating game. Can't... God, don't get a cheat. We're gonna sim to the end of December again. Look at this team. We're moving up in the world. Oh, yo, chill. Let's go. We just lost to Memphis. Okay. We're 20. Let's go. We're second in the... Let's go. We're 22-9. But why is Phoenix Suns doing so good? And if the Spurs don't move on somewhere... God, look at our road stats, though. We're 13-6. There's 7. We played 19 road games, so they're 13. No wonder. Why have they played so many home games? Let's check the roster. Let's see what everybody's doing. Okay, we're doing good. We're gonna sim to my birthday. Somewhere through date. We gotta stay in second or first in this conf. Can we not go on a winning streak, please? I'm gonna trade to this. I'm gonna trade. I said trade. Sim through date. Look at our team, bro. Our team is literally stacked. And we're third again. Oh, we just lost to the Hawks. We are disappointing. Okay. Oh, we just dropped first to fourth, bro. I don't care if this team is like getting along. Turn that shit off. Shh. Don't tell nobody I did that. Steph, that's why he broke his ankle. Why you break his ankle, bro? How do you break your ankle, bro? No, we got a good replacement. We made some amazing trades just then, bro. Just made an amazing trade. And if we don't... What the... No, what? We just lost to the Hawks again. What is going on, team? We built a whole super team. We actually gave LeBron some good team. Let's go, come on. Let's go, we're first in the conference, bumps. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's go. I don't care, Russell Westbrook, get off my screen. Who the hell is that? Let's go. Let's go, number 1 seed. Sim, current round. If we don't skunk them. Let's go. What LeBron James do? Oh, I see LeBron. Some late. Don't stop. Somebody come around, dummy. Somebody come around. Let's go! We made the finals! Let's go! The Claws 28 points. Claws 28 points in over. Don't tell me 28 points, girl. How do we have to go to OT with those dudes? Come on. We cannot choke. We just made it all the way to the finals. Cannot choke this. Oh. Oh no. What's going on? What is going on? Why are we down 3-0? Why are we down 3-0? Why? I'm making some illegal trade. No. Trade. No trade Damian Lillard for this dude. Oh. What? Crap. Think we can make this trade? Yes, we can. This should be good enough. We're just gonna sim. Let's sim all the way sim through 8. Let's go. Look at this. We not losing. We're 47. We can. Come on, we gotta beat. Oh no. Can't lose no more. Let's go. 49-8. First in the conference. Just gonna sim all the way to the playoffs. I'll get this 50-8. 51-8. 124-78. Oh no. No, you can only tie Warriors best record because you somehow just lost to Miami Heat. We're on a 10 game winning streak. Oh, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, LeBron James, MVP. Let's go, bro. Bro, I swear. 72-10. We tied the Bulls. We tied the Bulls' best record, bro. Let's go. Come on. Playing Houston. Simulate. Come on. Okay. Simulate. Come on. Go! We made it to the finals again. We made it. We made it to the finals again. Please. Simulate. Oh! I rebuilt this team from the ground up. Built a super team. And we have done it. We built a super team. We done built a super team. Whoa, Stephen Curry. Let's go. I'm gonna end it here. Y'all hope y'all enjoyed it. And oh, peace.